Welcome to the craft test, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and on today's DIY video, we're going to make this chic and modern pedestal stand using items from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where I post super quick and easy DIYs, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I post new videos every week. Now let's get on with today's DIY. For this next project, I'm going to take one of the candle holder plates and a candle stick holder from the Dollar Tree. And I had already E6000 them together. This way it would have a strong bond. And I'm going to use some of the leftover scrap that I used for the previous project. And with some Mod Podge, we're going to do the top of the plate so it can have that wooden look. And what I love about this paper is that it has a metallic silver to it. So it gives it a nice little pop. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to trace it. And with those pieces of scrap paper, I'm just going to Mod Podge them onto the candle plate to give it a whole different look. So let's continue with that. So now that the Mod Podge is dry on the top of the candle plate, I'm going to take some Americana Decor chalk paint in a lace color, and using one of the sponge brushes from the Dollar Tree, I'm going to paint the candlestick and the edges of the plate. I like to use a sponge technique because it gives it sort of an antique look to it, and all I'm doing is dabbing the paint all over it. I'm going to give it 2 coats, letting one dry in between each. So let's continue to paint. Now for the edge of the plate itself, I want to add a little pop to it. So I'm going to use some sticker beads. These you can find at, I guess, discount stores. You can find that at Michael's. They're silver and I like the way that they look, so I'm going to use them to add a finishing touch to the trim and to the candlestick itself. So let's finish this part. So this was a very quick and easy project, and I really love the way that it turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.